Harmony One coin is one of the most popular altcoins in the crypto market. As data was gathered from the project's website, Harmony is a blockchain platform designed to facilitate the creation and use of decentralized applications. The Harmony network vision to innovate the decentralized applications work by focusing on random state sharding, which allows the creation of blocks in seconds. By the market cap, the Harmony One project comes in the top 100 list in the CoinMarketCap. Harmony project has a real value in the crowd of altcoins that makes it powerful. dApps are one of the most important segments in digital assets. Apart from the popularity among the crypto community, the Harmony team has launched many initiatives to attract the crypto community to its platform. Here we are analyzing the Harmony One coin's performance for the next 10 years. Harmony One coin is a trending altcoin among crypto traders. As per the OneCoin project's website, the OneCoin is a blockchain platform for speed, scalability, and security. The Harmony network is working to develop the blockchain tools and technologies that are required to create possibilities in blockchain technology. Harmony Protocol's One token has recently become a popular choice among crypto traders due to listing on some popular crypto exchanges. Apart from its popularity among the crypto community, Harmony is one of the altcoins that is continuing to develop its own dApps ecosystem. As a result, Harmony is one of the most innovative altcoins that gained investors' eyes in the crypto space. As per the recent spike in Harmony One prices, this coin has proved that it can surprise investors with massive returns. Harmony is one of the most popular dApps platforms that are popular among blockchain developers. Due to the dApps tag, the crypto community has huge expectations with Harmony One coin. As per this Harmony price analysis, the long-term investment in Harmony coin can be a good option to consider. Even though the price seems bullish, Harmony coin looks volatile. Cryptos are today not just the most beneficial assets but also the riskiest as well. So, before making any investment decision, do your proper risk management properly. As one of the trending altcoin in the crypto market, you shouldn't have much difficulty in finding a major crypto exchange to buy Harmony coin. Today, Harmony One coin can be found on most crypto exchanges, including some of the most popular crypto exchanges like Binance, Huobi, and Mandala. If you wish to buy Harmony One coin, the top crypto trading platforms are Binance, KuCoin, Hotbit, MEXC, Gate.io, LBank, Bitfinex, WazirX, CoinDCX, CoinX, Mandala Exchange, and BKX. You just need to sign up on these platforms. You can easily add the Harmony One coin to your portfolio. There are many more crypto trading platforms that can list Harmony One coin for public trading in the upcoming months. You need to check out your local crypto exchanges to find Harmony Crypto. If you're using a MetaMask wallet, you can also swap Harmony coin from Ethereum or BNB. The new listings always help new coins to increase their value and adoption in the market. Recently, Harmony coin got listed by many crypto exchanges, including some big names in the crypto market. However, the Harmony coin is not available on Coinbase yet. There are many crypto traders that are asking whether Coinbase will list Harmony or not. Currently, there is no official announcement from Coinbase on the listing of the Harmony One coin. The Harmony coin is growing day by day and market adoption is increasing slightly. As we are seeing the performance of the Harmony coin, the Harmony may list in upcoming months by Coinbase. As per Google Trend, the Harmony coin is trending in many countries, as well as on social media. If you're looking for the Harmony One coin price prediction or finding the potential of Harmony coin, this long-term Harmony One price forecast can be useful for you. Our Harmony One coin price forecast is based on a deep technical analysis and past performance of the Harmony One coin. Since its launching date, Harmony One coin has shown extensive growth in the crypto market. In 2022, along with Bitcoin and Ethereum, all cryptos are showing a bearish performance. As per the recent performance, we can say that Harmony One coin has huge potential in the long term. However, like other cryptos, it depends on many factors that emerged during the market's growth and development stage. As per its limited token supply and community support, the future of Harmony One coin is bright. In 2022, when all cryptos are down and lost their almost 50% value or more, the Harmony coin is also struggling to save its position. The Harmony coin is now a top 100 project by the market cap, which makes one coin strong. If the market concentrates on investing in Harmony, the price might rise much higher in 2022. In 2022, the growth of crypto assets can be slow. As per this Harmony One coin price prediction, the maximum trading price of Harmony One coin can be around 25 cents in 2022. If the market goes as per this expectations, the average price of Harmony One coin can be around 21 cents and the minimum price level can go up to 14 cents for 2022. As per this price analysis, Harmony One coin's price may cross the 50 cents mark if the market sees a good bull run in 2022. Harmony One coin has great potential if you're going to hold it for the long term. As per this Harmony One coin price forecast, it can reach a maximum price level of 58 cents by 2023. However, the average price of Harmony One coin can be around 42 cents. And if there is any bearish trend, the minimum price of a Harmony One coin can be down up to 36 cents. If there is a great bull rally, the prices of Harmony One may surge more than this Harmony One price prediction. Harmony One coin can perform like a star in the long run. By 2025, we can expect an average price of $1.79. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted the maximum price of Harmony could be up to $2.19 in 2025. As per this analysis, if current growth continues, the minimum price of Harmony One can be around $1.35. However, if there is any good bull rally in 2025, the prices of Harmony can be much higher than this Harmony One price prediction. In 2030, there are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age. As per this Harmony One coin price prediction, the year 2030 can end with an average price of $11.35. And if the market sees a bearish run, the minimum price value of Harmony One can go around $9.83. The calculated maximum price is expected to be trading around $12.28 in 2030. If you're an initial investor in the Harmony project, your long-term holding can give you a great return in 2030. As per this long-term Harmony price forecast, the Harmony prices can hit a new all-time high level this year. In 2040, we may expect an average price of $49.56 depending upon the market trend. A maximum price prediction for Harmony is $55.76 in 2040. If the market gets bullish, Harmony may surge more than this Harmony price forecast in 2040. While the minimum price level of Harmony can be around $45.17 if the market gets bearish. Harmony has great potential if you're going to hold it for the long term. As per this Harmony price prediction, the year 2050 can end with an average price of $121.13. While the minimum price value of a Harmony can be around $109.53. After such a long journey, along with Harmony, many cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. In 2050, the maximum price of Harmony is expected to be trading at around $128.45. If more investors are attracted to Harmony in between these years, the prices of Harmony can be much higher in 2050 than this price forecast. Apart from Harmony One coin price prediction, we suggest investors to conduct the maximum possible research before investing in Harmony One coin or any other crypto. Harmony is no doubt a popular altcoin in the market, but a risk analysis is essential. As cryptos are volatile, they can change their price directions at any time. These price forecasts are a conclusion of technical analysis, and it's not necessary that the prices will be accordingly.